Hello everyone, in this video we will see how can make a clock using Python. So let's get started. At first we have to create a new file, name it as clock.py. Then we have to import tkinter from tkinter dot import star, and then we need from tkinter.ttk import star. That's it. Now let's import time. So from time import strf time. Now let's create a UI for clock. Root is equals to tk root dot title clock. Now let's create a label to store our clock. Label is equals to label root comma font ds digital. Link of this font given below in the description. Font size 80 and background is equals to black and foreground is equals to cyan. Now let's pack our label dot pack anchor is equals to center. Now let's define function to get our time. So def time, and here I will take a string is equals to strf time, percentage for hour and percent m for minute and percent second for percent s for second and percent p for am or pm. Single inverted comma. Okay, now let's set this time to be label. So label dot config text is equals to string, and then let's try to call our time function on every 1 second. Label dot after 60 which is 1 second. Every 1 second we call the time function itself. All right, time. Let's call our time function time. Okay, we have to write main loop. Now let's run our program. As you can see, it's showing the clock.